Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad geometric problem. And here we have a triangle which I labeled this is A, B and C inscribed with a rectangle. So we label the vertex of rectangle are D, E and F. So now our target is to find the area of this rectangle which is inscribed in a triangle. So here you remember one thing is that what is rectangle. So you know that in a rectangle all the corner angles are of 90 degree. So it means that this angle is 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree, this angle is also 90, and this angle is also 90 degree as well. And after that you one thing you again already know about this rectangle, the length of the opposite sides are equal. So it means that this side length and this side length are equal, this side length and this side length are also equal. So if we denote that this side length is A and this side length is B, so it means that because opposite side lengths are equal, so this means that this side length is also A and this side length is also B. So in the next step uh, you see here this angle in triangle ABC. Now you focus just in triangle A, B and C. In triangle ABC, this angle be the right angle. So you know that the sum of all the angles of triangle are 180 degree. So that these two angles are the sum of these two angles are 90 degree. So here we define a definition of a complementary angle. You know about the complementary angle. So any two angles alpha and beta are said to be complementary angles if the sum of alpha and beta equals to 90. So this is the definition of complementary angle. So in triangle ABC, we have this angle is right angle or 90 angle. So it means that the sum of the other two angles should be 90, so that we make to the sum of the angle of triangle is 90. So that here we suppose that this angle is alpha and this angle is beta. So these are alpha, beta and 90 be the angles of the triangle A, B and C. So in the next step we know that the very famous theorem which is the angle and angle theorem. So this angle and angle theorem tells us that about the similarity of any two triangles. So you know that the two triangles are said to be similar triangles if the corresponding angles are corresponding angles in triangle are equal. Then we say that these triangles are said to be similar triangles. So now here first you focus on the triangle ADE. So you see that in triangle ADE, so triangle ADE is if you see that this angle is also 90 and this angle is alpha, so we denote this angle by beta. So it means that this is 90 and the sum of alpha and beta is 90. So it means that alpha and beta be the complementary angle of triangle ADE. So that our triangle ADE is similar to the triangle AB and C. So this small triangle is similar to the big triangle ABC. And similarly, if you focus on this triangle BEC, EF or EFB. So if you focus here, then you see that this angle is 90 degree and this angle is beta. It means that this angle is alpha, because the sum of these three angles is 180. So this smaller triangle EFB, so here we again write the triangle EFB is similar to the big triangle AB and C. So it is similar to the big triangle A, and after that you see here the smaller triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, and the smaller triangle EFB is similar to the biggest triangle ABC. So these two triangles are similar to the bigger triangle A, B and C. So so now we finally conclude that the triangle ADE is similar to the triangle EF and B. So if these two triangles are similar, it means that ratio of the two sides of triangle ADE is equals to ratio of the two side of triangle EF and B. So now we use this definition of a similar triangle, so that now we write here the ratio of the smaller triangle ADE. So the one side length of smaller triangle ADE is A and other side length is 7. So we write the ratio. So the ratio is A over 7 equals to the ratio of other two sides of the triangle EFB. So we have the side length of this triangle is B and the side length of this triangle is 12. So we write its ratio will be 12 over B. And now this implies that we cross multiply the terms and you get here A times of B equals to 7 multiplied by 12, and you know that 7 times of 12 equals to 84. So this is the value of A times of B. And now you focus on the given our target. So our target is to find the area of the rectangle DEF and C. So you know that the formula of area of rectangle is area of rectangle equals to length multiply its width. So you see that the length of this rectangle is A and width of this rectangle is B. So we get area of rectangle equals to A times of B. And now we find the value of A times of B equals to 84. So you substitute here AB equals to 84. So this is the our required area of the rectangle DEFC. And this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.